Hi, this is Keith Lamp from HPC Fire Inspired. Today I'm going to take you through how the fire pit selector works. There's a lot of questions that arise when you're dealing with a fire pit. This right here allows you to ask the correct questions and get the correct product for the install that is at hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on fire pit inserts. We're going to click on electronic remote. All of the questions that need to be asked are right up here. We're going to say that it's a round bowl. We're going to go high-low with the adjustable flame. We're going to say it's natural gas. We're going to say it's standard house wiring and not close to a pool, which would be this one right here. We're going to say it's 24 inches or diameter for the inside of the pit. The nice thing about this is it gives you the exact part number of all of the options that we just went through. And that is the SKU that we would use to get the exact same fire pit of everything that is reiterated up here. So the nice thing about with the new website is if you click on it, you have the option to do kind of the same thing, but with a few more options here. So we're going to click on some of these options. Actually, let's do electronic ignition. The nice thing about when you get to the end of this is you can see what the MSRP is, what we recommend as the manufacturer, so you can kind of adjust on where your price level's at. It gives you a quick little description of what you selected right here. It also gives you the SKU, which is the exact SKU that you would get with those options if you went to the fire pit selector. And always remember, we are here for you. If there's anything that you guys need whatsoever, get a hold of us at info@hpcfire.com. Once again, that's info@hpcfire.com. We're here for you guys. Anything you need, get a hold of us, and you guys have a great day.